Valorant Error 0. Yeah, it's one of those issues that just shows up out of nowhere. You click play expecting to hop into a match, and boom, nothing happens. No explanation, just Error 0. But don't worry, I'm Austin, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through every working fix, step by step, based on Windows 11. Let's get started. So, what even is Valorant Error 0? It's a launch failure, usually caused by something like a corrupted file, a firewall conflict, or Vanguard bugging out behind the scenes. Sometimes it's your internet, sometimes it's Riot's background services, but we're going to go through each fix and get your game running again. Step 1. Verify your game files through Riot Client. Go ahead and open the Riot Client. Click on Valorant, then click your profile icon to access the settings. From there, look for an option to repair or check for updates. Let the scan finish, it'll fix any broken or missing files automatically. Step 2, restart your PC and router the right way. And yeah, I do mean the right way. In Windows 11, a normal restart sometimes skips things because of fast boot. Here's what I recommend. Click Start, open the power menu, hold down the Shift key, and then click Restart. That forces Windows to do a full system refresh, not just a quick reboot. I've already made a detailed video explaining why this method is important, so definitely check that out if you haven't. Now for your router. Shut it down, unplug it, wait about 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This clears up any networking bugs or cache that might be causing problems for Riot servers. Step 3, update your graphics drivers. If you're using an NVIDIA card, they've replaced GeForce Experience with something new called the NVIDIA App. Open that up, and you'll be able to update your drivers, monitor performance, and optimize Valorant all in one place. If you're on AMD, you can use the Adrenaline software, or just open your settings by pressing the Windows key and the letter I, go to Windows Update, and hit Check for Updates. Install any available drivers there. Old GPU drivers can definitely cause Valorant to crash on startup, so don't skip this. Step 4, make sure your internet connection isn't the issue. Start by checking your connection speed and stability. Load up a few websites or try a speed test to see if it's laggy. If you're playing on Wi-Fi and the signal isn't great, switch to a wired Ethernet connection if you can. Valorant is super sensitive to packet drops, and wired is always more stable. And here's something that helps even more. Try using ExitLag. It's a paid service, but they usually offer a free trial. I've already made a full tutorial on setting it up with different routing options. ExitLag can fix random disconnects and handshake failures with Riot servers. Step 5, check your firewall and antivirus settings. Start by opening Windows Security, then go to Firewall and Network Protection. Click into your active network, whether it's private or public, and temporarily turn the firewall off to test. If Valorant starts working after that, it means the firewall was blocking Riot or Vanguard. To fix it for good, go into the section that says Allow an app through firewall. Click the Change Settings button, and now scroll through the list. Look for Valorant, Riot Client Services, and Vanguard entries. If they're there, remove them first. Then re-add them manually. Make sure each one is allowed for both private and public networks. This refresh often solves weird permission issues. Step 6, add Valorant to your antivirus exclusion list. If you're using Windows Defender, like I do, here's what to do. Open Windows Security and head over to Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down to Manage Settings, then look for Exclusions. Click Add or Remove Exclusions, and start adding these folders. First, the Riot Games folder inside your C drive. Next, the Riot Vanguard folder inside Program Files. Adding these ensures Defender doesn't interfere with Valorant, and in some cases, it can even boost performance. Now, if you're using a third-party antivirus like Avast or Bitdefender, the process is similar. Find the exception or exclusion settings and add the same folders manually. Step 7, uninstall Riot Vanguard and let it reinstall. Sometimes Vanguard breaks quietly in the background. To fix it, open your Start menu and go to Apps and Features. Search for Riot Vanguard and uninstall it completely. Once it's removed, restart your PC. The next time you launch Valorant, Vanguard will reinstall automatically with fresh files. This alone has fixed error 0 for a lot of people. Do a little cleanup. Open the run box by pressing the Windows key and the letter R. Type in temp and press enter. Delete everything in the folder that opens. Those are just temporary files. Then right-click your Valorant shortcut, go to Properties, then the Compatibility tab. Check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. That gives Valorant better system-level access and can help with startup issues. Still getting error 0? Drop a comment below and let me know which step worked or where you're stuck. I'll do my best to help you out one-on-one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.